Hello, good morning dear students. Now this is your fourth unit that I am going to start and 10th standard from the main course book, that is with the lesson from the diary of Anne Frank. What Anne Frank has written in her diary. So it's like a lesson taken from autobiography, a part of it. See, Anne Frank is an writer who was born on 12th June 1929 and was a German born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family, 4 friends and in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. See, it was the time in World War II when the Jewish people had to suffer a lot. Germans started killing the Jewish. Germans and Italians, they started killing the Jewish people and started a war against the Jewish countries. In this time, it was a time that Jewish is the religion who has faced the greatest protest, massacre, killing and in the worldwide. Jewish was a religion. These people were not allowed in any country. Indians welcomed them. In India they were welcomed. Nothing bad happened with the Jewish people in India. But it was the time when this condition, Second World War was going on. In Germany, the Jewish were being killed. In Netherlands, the Jewish properties were occupied and they were thrown out and killed and suppressed and everything. So it was like conditions were even taking places. In this time, the people Jewish, most of them, they saved themselves by hiding themselves with their friends or somewhere with their friends somewhere else. They could hide. They tried hide themselves, and there are thousands of stories in that period took place. One of them is the writer of this from the diary of Anne Frank. So it's like an autobiography, and Jewish people were very talented. They could save themselves from such a great difficult situation. The whole World War II was brought up with the reason, with the name Jewish, to kill the Jewish. Okay, and they could survive when all the countries and World War II was taking place for killing of these people. So they could survive. So they are talented enough. And she lived in Amsterdam, hiding herself with her family. But due to that, she had no friends. She could not win friends. Up to 6th standard, she studied in the village setting, where the number of student and teacher was very less. The only teacher could become her friend. Now there is an incident in this diary. This diary is written by Anne Frank. As she had no friends, she made her diary only her friend. She had written all her life's incidents and situations in this diary. Now see, she called her diary as a friend and gave name to her diary Kitty. That is the name of her diary only. Kitty is the name of her diary. such a person who does not wins a friend or willing to get new friends and having no friends, if comes in crowd in friends, what happens? Such a person likes to talk every time with everyone about everything. So, they become talkative, they try to express themselves and they try to learn about others and they try to make friends. So, what makes friends? Talking. So, there is an incident about her talking only that has been described. Okay, that has been described. In 1942, she started writing her diary. Okay, in the month of July, she started writing her diary, and she has written all the dates, all important events of her mind, and described as the work of mature and insightful mind. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupations. Now, Nazis were the people, those who were killing the Jewish people. So, she was living under that occupation and this till she could survive. And what was the level of the mind, that if you read the whole diary of Anne Frank, you will come to know. Her name actually is Anneliese Marie, and she gave a nickname, that is Anne. Okay, Anne Frank. Now, what is the incident in this diary? See, there are several things told. If you go through and read it, that an activity of writing the this thing, diary, is also given, but merely the lesson is about Saturday 20th June 1942. Okay. So, dearest Kitty, Kitty is the diary. Okay. She is writing as a friend, taking as a friend to her diary, and in this she has explained an incident that took place with Mr. Kessing, who is a teacher to her. What happened? Anne Frank was once found talking in the class. Okay. So, when Mr. Kessing was teaching, she was talking with her friends. So, at the time she is found talking, she is punished by the teacher, Mr. Kessing. And what was the punishment? The punishment was, now she was talking at the first time maybe. So, her punishment was to have extra homework, and that was write an essay on the subject a chatterbox. Chatterbox, a box which is chatting, talking. So, that is the homework, to write an essay, write few lines. That homework was given by Mr. Kessing. Now, as I said, this in the time it has been seen that Jews were very good at answering, and Jews were very good and talented people all over the world. Due to the problems they faced, they learned to face the problems and talk with the people. So, what happened? What is the mentality you see? Anne Frank took it as a homework. She wrote an essay on the chatterbox and gave it to the teacher. Mr. Kessing checked it and kept it. Next day, after that, Mr. Kessing started teaching. That day also she was found talking in the class with her friends. Now, this was the second time. This was the second time that she was found talking by the teacher. Now, first time the extra homework was the punishment that was given by the teacher, right? And second time when she was found, the teacher gave her again an essay to write, and the title of the essay was An Incorrigible Chatterbox. Now she wrote essay on the first time. The essay is given chatterbox, a box which is chatting. Actually, what the teacher wants to say, you are a chatterbox, you are always talking. But she wrote an essay, gave it to the teacher, and next day, and again she is talking. Now she is found talking again. Now the same teacher gives her extra homework, and incorrected, which we cannot correct. Okay, we cannot repair or make it well. So incorrigible chatterbox. She went home, wrote a lesson, essay, came back, gave it to the teacher. The teacher was surprised again. So okay, he corrected, checked, signed, and gave it to her in the diary. Third time again she was found talking, Anne Frank, in the classroom. Now when she was found talking, now this time the teacher was very angry. Okay. So he thought that she is getting a subject to write, right? Chatterbox is a subject, something she can understand. So she is writing. Second time also she wrote a lesson, an essay. Now I will give her such an subject so that she will not understand. So third time when she was found, the punishment was given to her was write an essay on the subject quack, quack, quack. Now what is quack? Q-U-A-C-K, quack, quack. Quack is a sound. The teacher said, write a lesson, write an essay on it, quack, quack, quack. Oh my God, there is no meaning to these words. What Anne Frank will do now? You know what happened? She went home, wrote an essay on the story of the duck. Quack is the sound generally made by duck. She wrote an essay, and in that essay, she wrote a poem on that topic, and in that poem it was about ducks doing quack, 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 and it was very beautiful poem. Even the teacher liked it very well afterward. It was about the mother duck and a father swan with 3 baby ducklings who were beaten to death by the father because they quacked too much. Because they quacked too much. No, see the seriousness, how she dealt. She wrote a poem on this topic, quack, 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 and in the poem there was a duck and a swan. The duck is the mother, swan is the father, and 3 saplings, 3 ducklings, which were beaten by the swan, by father. Why beaten? For doing extra quack, 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 for talking too much. Yes, this happens. Most of the time you might have seen your father will also tell you, don't talk. Why these parent people don't let the children to talk? This happens. That is a big question arised by Anne Frank, and it is kept. And beaten to death means harshly beaten by the father, for they were quack too much, they were making sound too much. Luckily Mr. Casing took the joke in the right way, and he understood. See, Mr. Casing is a good teacher, because the punishment is even a kind of creativity. First time the punishment is given, second time the punishment given, even the third time punishment given, but it is not a punishment, beating or teasing. It is a kind of creativity given by Mr. Casing, and he took this poem in a jokingly way and understood that what is his fault, that he shall let the student to talk sometime, because if they don't talk in the class, how will be the class? In the old days, students were not allowed to even open mouth without the instruction of teacher. Now That was the teacher centric class. Now this era, modern time, it is the student centric class. Teacher shall only ask questions and let the student to talk. Teacher shall only instruct and let the student to do. So who shall talk more and more? Students. That is student centric classrooms are nowadays. So we allow more in our school to our children to talk more. Why? Unnecessarily we don't allow them to talk in the corridor outside, we don't allow them to talk there in the assembly, but in the classroom they can ask, they can speak, they can talk, they can ask questions. This is the methodology. So he liked the poem in such a great way that he read the poem in front of the class and in other classes too. So he is also a good teacher, okay. And in the end, adding his own comments and to several other classes as well he read. Since then I have been allowed to talk and haven't been assigned any extra homework. On the contrary, Mr. Casing always making jokes these days, and Mr. Casing also changed his nature and started making jokes, okay. Jokingly he is taking the situations now. Some things teachers, principals, they have to go very freely, humoristically with the students, not the satire. You know? So if they are talking, to tell them in a jokingly way, in a healthy way, right, instead of punishing. That is the best way. Children nowadays understand this. They can understand that, yes, they can understand that they have done mistake, they have done something wrong, but my teacher, my principal, my instructor took it very jokingly, but I have done mistake, I shall not do it next time. They will not do, right. So your work is done, need not to punish the student also, and they change also. So Mr. Casing changed himself, and Anne Frank was allowed to talk in the class, and better her talking was taken as jokingly. Read the lesson is very interesting. They write the difficult words. If you go through the dictionary also, find out the meanings of the difficult word, and I shall send you the summary and the solution of this lesson. But I will insist you read the lesson very well, because in this lesson there are many good words, many good phrases are put in front of you. So I will even elaborate it in the due course of time. Okay, good. Thank you.